Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, Jaguar XF 2.2 R Sport Sportbrake. Are you ready? 37,750 miles from you. Yes, 37,000. So this is a 2015, January, February or March 15 on a 64 plate. It's got a private number plate on, obviously used to belong to Brian. Price 16,450. Service history 8 services, 7 by Jaguar, 11, 14, 19, 21, 23, 25, 28, 34,000 miles, 2 keys. What a car. 37,000 miles, 16,450, mega service history, super low miles. So metallic silver, had the cam belt replaced by Jaguar at 28,000 miles. Perfect car this. Silver, privacy glass, reverse camera, rear park sensors. As you'd expect, beautiful alloy wheels. Daytime running headlamps, front park sensors. Black leather and suede trim inside. Electric. Got the dark zebra wood and the dashboard and the door cappings, that's nice. Electric steering column. Sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, paddle change, reverse camera, heated seats. Got everything you could wish for. Obviously, 37,000 miles, lovely condition throughout. Super clean. Smells fresh, smells like new. So 2015, early part of 15, registered, 64 plate, 2.2 diesel R Sport, power tailgate. There's the button up there to close it. Lovely and clean, as you'd expect for a super low mileage car. Bit more storage under there. Press the button, close the tailgate. Fitted with mud flaps. Gosh, that sun's bright. Come round here, might get rid of the sun. So, this side, obviously no marks on the wheels, no marks on the paintwork. This and pads all look fairly new. Multifunction steering wheel. 37,860 miles from new. 8 services, 7 of those by Jaguar. Had the cam belt replaced already. 2 keys. We jump inside. Obviously there's your satellite navigation. Reverse camera. Lovely and clear that. Go out to the home menu. DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your phone, back to the sat nav, menu. Obviously you can have your climate control on there, and there's your heated seats, which are very hot. Okay, as I say, paddle change, auto lights, 37,000 miles. Really lovely condition. £16,450. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media on Facebook or Instagram. This video will be hosted along with 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube and subscribe to our channel, you will be the first person to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.